Thanks for coming back to this tutorial. So as you see, we have a draft of our blog. We had put it in a couple categories. Right now we're completely missing the tags, so we'll have to add those, and our SEO is not done. So our tags on our SEO keywords are going to be pretty much the same. So let's go back over to our blog post, and right now we're going to add some formatting to it. So we have our first paragraph, and then we have, actually let's review the post first. If you click on this review post, you can easily go to the page, and let's look how the blog post looks. And right now it looks like kind of bland. Nothing stands out. It's kind of hard to read because it just doesn't have good enough spacing. It doesn't have good enough headlines. It doesn't have lists. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back into this blog and we're going to add some of this stuff. So like right here would be a good place to put a headline. So we'll remove the numbers and we're going to change it to heading 2. And now you can see how it pops. We're going to do the same thing for the next 2 headlines. And this is kind of like you need to experiment on what looks the best. So we're going to go back to the blog post and we're going to see what actually looks the best. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this section right here and we're going to make it into a list. So you just highlight it and select the list icon. And since it already had kind of a list, what we need to do is kind of backspace those things out and replace them with the actual list icon by hitting enter. And there you go, you have your list. Now we're going to save the draft and we're going to click on preview the post so we can see how this looks. So as you see, it's starting to look much better. So that's the end of the formatting your blog post. Stay tuned for the next post where we'll be inserting images into this post to make it look even better. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.